don't you think it is important to give a specific list of hospitals that you're accusing Russia of hitting? Those are grave accusations.
I'm not making those accusations. I'm telling you, we've seen reports from credible aid organizations that 5 hospitals and a clinic,
Which
at least
hospital?
one
in
clinic.
what cities, at least?
You can go look at the information that many of the Syrian relief agencies are putting out there publicly. These
But
reports,
you're citing those reports without giving any specifics.
because we believe these agencies are credible, and because we have other sources of information that back up what we're seeing from some of these reports. And you know what? Why don't you ask? Well, here's a good question. Why don't you ask your defense ministry what they're doing and see if you can get? No.
If you give a specific list of hospitals,
No.
My colleagues who are
I'm
listening
supposed to-
hopefully would be able to go and ask Russian officials about a specific list of hospitals that
You
you're
work for
accusing
Russia Today, right? Isn't
That
that your
is
agency?
correct,
And so,
yes.
why shouldn't you ask your government the same kinds of questions that you're standing here asking me?
When you're
Ask them about their military activities. Get them to tell you what, or
When
to
I
deny
ask
what
for
they're doing.
specifics, it seems your response is, why are you here? Well, you are leveling that accusation.
No,
and
ma'am.
if you give specifics,
No,
my
ma'am.
colleagues would be able
No,
to
ma'am.
ask Russian
Once
officials.
again, you're just wrong. I'm not leveling those accusations. Relief agencies that we find credible are leveling those accusations. So
But
why
you
don't you
agree with
question them about their information and where they're getting it? And why don't you question your own defense
Which
ministry?
organizations then? Which ones?
Well, we'll
Where
get you.
should I
We'll
look?
get you a list of them after the briefing. I don't have it right here in front of me, but I'm happy to provide to you some of the relief agencies that are telling us what they're seeing on the ground.